COCC presents a primer on Universal Design for Learning. First, what is Universal Design for Learning, or as we'll refer to it, UDL? UDL is an educational framework that guides the development of flexible learning environments that can accommodate individual learning differences. It targets all learners and strives to create an equitable learning environment for students, not by providing an identical classroom experience, but by allowing for flexibility that suits students' individual learning needs and enables them to demonstrate their learning in different ways. To accomplish this, UDL is structured on three main principles: representation, expression, and engagement. Representation is the what of learning, and the UDL Center states that learning and the transfer of learning occurs when multiple representations are used because it allows students to make connections within as well as between concepts. There isn't a single means of presenting material that will be optimal for all learners all the time. Thus, by providing options that allow students to connect with your content in different ways, you can reach more students and enable them to bridge connections between related media for deeper learning. Expression is the how of learning and means to provide, if possible, multiple means of expression and action. A good way to think about expression is in assessment. Students differ greatly in the ways that they communicate learning most effectively. By taking a critical look at what we as educators are trying to gauge in our assessment, which is the competencies, we open the door of opportunity for greater diversity in the method of assessment. The third principle is that of engagement, or the why, and means to provide multiple means of engagement. Some learners are highly engaged by spontaneity and novelty, while others will be disengaged or even frightened by those aspects and prefer a stricter routine. Some learners might like to work alone, while others prefer to work with their peers. Providing multiple options for engagement promotes interest, sustained effort and persistence, and enables students to self-regulate within the classroom. Most importantly, UDL offers a huge opportunity for educators to be expansive and creative in their classrooms, and to build a framework that enables all students to succeed. We hope that this introduction clarifies the basics of UDL and inspires you to think about ways that it can be applied in your classroom.